Sergeant Christopher Steele with the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office.
And who opened that window for him?
His eldest daughter would have been in the home, unlocking and making it ready for his entry.
My dad had sat me down and discussed reconciling with my mom and fixing the marriage and bringing our family back together.
Arden Summers was eager to help her father make her family whole again. Her parents, Elisa and Trevor Summers, had separated after 15 years of marriage, and there was a restraining order keeping them apart. Arden and her 4 siblings had been living with their dad.
He wanted me, my younger siblings, to go over to my mom's house and spend the night, and then I would let my dad in the window after my siblings and my mom went to bed.
Arden thought her dad could then talk her mom into getting back together. But Trevor Summers' supposed attempt at reconciliation was actually an act of manipulation, using his children as pawns in a plot involving kidnapping, assault,